Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing another Sheleeart bloom pour, and I'm going to be showing you my method of making coasters from tiles. Today we're doing a vast different array of pigments. I have some Sakura pigments and some This Little Piggy pigments. As you see on the screen, that groovy color is a crazy bright hot pink color from This Little Piggy. I realized after I blew this one out and spun it that I really wasn't happy with it, so I started over, layering the colors a little bit differently. I wanted to have a little pop of that lime green in the center. I ended up liking this one a lot better than the previous one. As you can see when I hold it up to the camera, it's crazy the way those metallics are reflecting like that. So, same color palette with just slightly different layering with this one. And you know, there's This Little Piggy Grenache in there because it's red and I love red. So I'm blowing this one out, and one thing I do love about these Sheleeart bloom pours is you're never going to get the same results in any two tiles. Everything's going to be different. But this one had a crazy spot of hot pink on the corner. Loved it. Same color palette on this one as well. Just experimenting with little different ways to layer the colors. Seeing if any difference causes the tiles to look better or worse. So when I blew this one out, I realized there was a lot of that neon green in the center, which that's really what I was going for all along. And this one came out fantastic. I loved it. So for this last one, I layered the red, slightly different in the center than the rest. I wanted to see if I could bring any more of that red to the surface. I must say though, the results in these 4 tiles was absolutely stunning. So this one showed me if I layer the colors in that way, this is the different result I get. So as you see here, all the colors are very vibrant. They really pop off each other, and I love these color combinations. I am happy to say that I have ordered some of that Australian Floetrol because of all the raving reviews on it, and I am excited to try my hand with some actual Australian Floetrol. Which one of these 4 are your favorite? If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.